Welcome to Inside the Enclosure, exploring mounting accessories designed specifically for on-cue enclosures. The 5-inch mounting plate with 1.5-inch elevation. Designed to securely mount a variety of third-party devices within the on-cue enclosures. The mounting plate can be mounted vertically or horizontally. The AC 1060 mounting shelf is perfect for heavy or tall devices that need sturdy support like ISPs, modem routers, connector hubs, and more. Users can install the shelf in a standard or an inverted orientation. The AC 1051 RC is designed for speed. Utilizing forward technology, our ratchet clips keep devices and cables organized and secure. Simply insert and twist to mount the clips, and then tighten down devices using the clamps. Our keyhole posts keep devices secure with built-in keyholes. Simply insert the keyhole post into the mounting bracket, twist a quarter turn to secure. Our keyhole posts are designed to mount and secure devices up to 3 pounds. Our cable channels are perfect for organizing unsightly cables in a structured wiring enclosure. The cable channels retain cables to the side of the enclosure without the need for Velcro or cable ties. Our cable channels feature the ability to hold 12 low-voltage cables. For more information on on-cue products and solutions, please visit our website.